You can access the Forest Library's catalogue from the portal page. It's called Oliver, or the software is called Oliver. It's accessible 24/7, so you can check out what book you have out, you can place a request for a book, check your overdues, see if the new series has arrived, even renew online from anywhere you have internet access. In the library, in your classroom, using your laptop or at home. So you go to Resources and Forest Catalogue. The best advice is to search with what you know. Do you know a title? Do you know the author's surname, series, or do you know a topic? So if I'm looking for Landy, you perform a basic search without signing in. Simply type in the keywords you know about what you want to find. Oliver will try to make some suggestions. They sit underneath where you've typed in the search box. There's a Derek Landy or a John Landy. So if I just go to Derek Landy, so it will then open up all the books that we have by Derek Landy. Hopefully the item is sitting there that you wanted. You can select it by clicking on its title and it will give you more information. Note the search defaults to a basic search box. There are many different types of searches, but your basic search is just that, a good starting point, unless you're after really specific items. Other common searches would be advanced, where you can put in the year of the book, or a range of years. You can tell it the type of book you're after, even something like, say, an audio book, or you could look just for ebooks. Leave it on the senior school library. You can also check out the collections, so if you just want to find graphic novels, or if you are interested in fairly easy reads, you would probably be wanting young adult fiction. And if you're up to the higher end books, then there's senior fiction as well. You can search by the author, you can search by subjects. You can also tick this box here to say that I really only want to see what's available, so I don't get too disappointed when it gives me all the books that are out. You can also do a federated search. That will give you the ability to search over the Forest Library, so books, videos. It'll search Google, it'll search encyclopedias, and it'll search ClickView, which is where the school puts most of its videos. You can untick any of these boxes or just leave them all ticked. There's author searches, remember to put the surname in. There's series, there's subjects, and if you really know exactly what the title is, you could put in titles. So if we do our basic search, once we've got up our list, you can sort the selection. So here is relevance. If I wanted to see the most recent books, I could go down from year descending. So it starts with the year and then goes backwards. So we've got 2015, 2014, and so this is the most recent book that we've got by Derek Landy. Note that you only get 100 searches. We sort of think that that's enough. If there is 100 searches for Mr. Landy's books, they would be listing up here, and you can move back and forth with your little arrow. So if we go back to our basic search, do that search again. You can see his newest book is here. We can go in and have a look at it. There will be a short little summary. Up here will be even more information about it, including some information about the author. The subjects gives you a quick summary of what the book contains, and if you wanted more books on mythical creatures, you could click on these, and there's 30 other books you could go and see. Here is a little arrow. If you click on that, that will show you where in the library this book sits, and you look for the little red flashing dot. so it gives you a rough guide on where it is. This one's on loan, that's when it's due back. You could print a copy of this if you needed it, but at this stage we don't. So the red crosses means it's out, the green cross or ticks means it's available and it's in. However, if you want more information, you need to log in to be able to find some more advanced features in Oliver. You log in using your normal username for school and your password. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, it welcomes me up here. I get a few more options. If I wanted this Demon Road, because it's out, it will give me the option to actually reserve it. So I can click on here and it will save me the next available copy and I'll get an email. So check your emails because we only hold it for a couple of days once it's arrived in and it's on hold for you. Up here is also useful. You can go into My Portal and these are all information that's fairly specific to you. I can see my loans. So if a teacher says, show me what you've read, you can have a loan history. It can show you what overdue loans you've got and what loans you've got out as well. You can see recommended books, and this is quite useful if you have no idea what you like. It will recommend you books based on what you previously have taken out. It will also show you some interest lists, and I've set up two. I like crime fiction and I like zombies, and so it will send me a message when new ones pop in to the library. Another good one I've just found is that other searches gives us new items. So these will be just new items in the library. And you might notice a whole lot of red crosses. These are so new that they're still sitting outside waiting to get onto, to be covered and to get out on the shelves. But at that stage, you could take them out on your Smart Writer. Remember this video, watch it again if you needed any specifics, and ask for help if you'd like some more help.